Fixing too many failed attempts in Yahoo error is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix that too many failed attempts error in your Yahoo email. Well, the process is very simple. So for that, what you have to do is, so the first thing that I would suggest you is try actually changing the browser. Or if you do not want to change the browser, I would suggest you just simply reset your this browser. So how can you reset it? In order to reset it, you just have to click on these three dots and then you have to click on these settings. Now, in the settings, you simply have to search for cookies, and there you go. You can actually clear your whole browsing data, including the cookies as well. You just have to go to that option and actually reset whole of your browser. After resetting it, the browser will be like new. You should try logging in again. If that error still persists, I would suggest you just go to Google and search for Yahoo support email. And then you have to search for that, and then you have to go to the first link, which should be uk.help.yahoo.com. The domain is depending on the country. Now here on this page, you can actually, call them, or you can actually contact them and let them know that I'm facing this error, and they will be able to fix it for you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.